Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. You log into your Google account, enable Maps API billing when required, and install the updated Extractor tool or browser extension. Once installed, you import a CSV or paste a list of target locations with name, address, LAT, LNG fields. Make sure the Extractor version matches documentation. If not, update. Once done, set output format to CSV or JSON so data streams correctly into your workflow. Next, you configure the extraction details and handle the complex middle steps. Start by entering the API key and restricting it to your domain, then set quotas to avoid sudden blocks. Configure search parameters, radius, filters, and result limits, for example 500M and 100 results maximum. Select which fields to collect, phone, rating, reviews, hours, website, and map them to output columns. Once done, run a short test on one location to validate parsing rules and rate limits before full execution. Finally, you execute the batch run and complete the extraction, then export and verify results. Start the full job, monitor logs and request/response rates closely, and watch for 429 or 403 errors. When finished, export data to CSV or JSON and validate a sample of rows for address accuracy and field completeness. If something goes wrong, like throttling or missing fields, try rotating API keys, adding delays between requests, or using a proxy. Make sure to rerun a small test to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.